There are two investments that you could make in 2025 that could change your entire life. And they're not stocks, they're not bonds, they're not crypto. And I'm currently teaching 2,000 people how to do this right now. It's a framework that I have. It has simple requirements but powerful results. It does not require you to pay for ads, fancy production. It doesn't even require a full-time effort or a large upfront investment. In fact, most of this is free to start. It requires no technical expertise either. It does require, though, clarity on your niche, consistency, a repeatable promise, community engagement, and a value-first mindset. What am I talking about? I am talking about a framework where you take these two investments. You invest in your YouTube channel, a brand new one with 0 subscribers, and you invest in a brand new school membership. This channel has made me more than $2,000 in the first 9 days. Not because YouTube is paying me that much, because it doesn't pay you to post until you've had 1,000 subscribers, and even harder to do, 4,000 watch hours. But I still have made more than $2,000 because of this channel.
I was at a point where I was feeling very stalled in my business. When I joined, I also was joining for me of like, let me get into that mindset, into that motivation and that accountability to get to that next 5K. And so now I'm $2,000 closer to that. So I'm excited about that.
So we're on this platform called School. And last year I won the school games. I first earned it as an affiliate. And then shortly after I earned $200,000 a few weeks later. And then after that, I've earned more than $500,000 on School. So this experiment that I'm doing with the brand new channel is to show you that anybody can do it. You don't have to have 169,000 subscribers. And guess what? I could start another one tomorrow, and another one, and another one. As long as I have it as a niche YouTube channel where I'm teaching people or showing people something, going right into that $9 a month school membership. Inside of your first 5K membership, which is where the 5-day challenge is, I teach you so much about YouTube. We have a YouTube accelerator in there and about all sorts of other things, and you get the full replay. So you could go in there with your 7-day free trial and get a ton of information before deciding. And then if you decide to stay, it's just $50. So I posted this and I was telling people that some people were not realizing that their 7 days was up. Look what people wrote. This is an incredible value. Now I must sift through and do this step by step. Replay crew. LaDonna says, this is the most valuable course I've ever been in. You are the best. This challenge has been so completely amazing. I have received so much value over the last few days, and I'm excited to stay the course. Thanks so much for the reminder. Let me tell you something. Somebody who's in my Your First 5K, but this one was about making $100 offers. So you can get some points on board, you can make some money, you can see that money start to come in. She did a $97 one-on-one call. She was 68 at the time. She did a $97 one-on-one call. She sold it. She was so excited. We got her on here. I interviewed her. On that call, she made a $6,000 sale. And then to show that it wasn't just fluke, she did it again a couple of days later. Another 97, another 6K.
My first time just pitching a new idea for what I call the bio glow up, I was able to land a client. I did $150.
My big win was starting the 5-day challenge to sell a $100 offer, which I managed to do by day 2.
Sometimes what is holding us back is that we think that things are too elementary for us. Do you understand that I have raised $30 million for a venture fund? I have invested in 200 companies. I have generated at least $1 million for myself every single year, the last 5 years. And I've generated millions of dollars for other people. I've been on the cover of Fast Company. I have 3 books out. I will get a beginner course like it's my job. I will get a coach. I will get a program. I will do a workshop. I train myself. I look at videos from people on YouTube every day, hours worth. I will go to the beginning and start over every day if I need to. I need the beginner and I need the advanced. And the people who I know, who are my friends, who are the wealthiest friends I have, do the same. That's the difference. This is something that could change everything for you. And it's not hard to do. I can't wait to see you inside of your first 5K. The description below gives you the link.